Well, a wild Wednesday of weather, everybody. Good evening, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Allender. You can see showers and thunderstorms are now clearing the area. We do have a special marine warning offshore Taylor County, so no boating for a little while if you're in that region. But also you can see the storms off to the east. Otherwise, we just have one lone ranger up toward Bainbridge that continues to kind of fall apart and should stay to our north this evening, but can't rule out a stray shower or two through about 10 o'clock. Now, since midnight, we've seen quite a good dousing of rain across the Tallahassee area. 3/4 of an inch at the Tallahassee Regional Airport. That's a good average of the rainfall amounts that I've seen. About a 1/2 inch on average in the north side of town, upwards of an inch down toward the south around Capital City Country Club. And then even some reports around Monticello of over an inch of rain, so it's much needed rain across the area today. Your lawns and gardens are certainly happy with all this rain that we've seen. And Perry, of course, it's still raining at this hour. Now, currently the sun is out in Tallahassee, 76 at the airport, 71 downtown. Notice these winds changing from the north-northwest at 10 miles per hour. That's a sign of cooler and drier conditions. We've seen 4 consecutive days of rain in Tallahassee. The last time that's happened, go back to the early part of October. So it's been some time here in Tallahassee since we've seen a string of rainy days. Cool air across the area. Rain cooled 69 degrees in Monticello, 77 in St. Mark's. Temperatures will be dipping another 10, 15 degrees tonight. So we're looking at pretty comfortable temperatures as this front begins to slide through. I mentioned those winds. You can see they're coming out of the west and northwest across the area. We just have that one shower to contend with in Bainbridge, and once that is done, that's pretty much the front. It's moving through the area, and you can see the wind still out of the south and west in Perry. So obviously the front hasn't quite moved through there yet. Another look at the radar, you can see the storms really came through the area around 4 or 5 o'clock here in Tallahassee. Showers and thunderstorms, a 39-mile-per-hour wind gust at the Love Building this afternoon. It was huffing and puffing with some of those thunderstorms, and a few wind reports, some damage to a car and a house as a tree landed on it in Bainbridge earlier this afternoon with some of those storms marching through, and it looks like a storm just came through there once again just a few moments ago. Widening out the view, it's all because of a cold front moving through this region, and you can see Alabama, Georgia, and much of the northern Florida got socked in that moisture and lots of heavy rain across the area today. Now here's what's happening as that front continues to move down the peninsula tonight and tomorrow. The rain follows it, so one more day for central and south Florida, the rain, while we get under the influence of the high pressure as we go into tomorrow. That means cooler and drier conditions as we go into your end of the week. But for tonight, 60 degrees, we'll call it a few more hours of a chance of a couple showers right around Tallahassee, but I think we're about done. Tomorrow, temperatures climbing to 84 degrees. That's a nice change. Low humidity, skies becoming sunny, especially by the lunch hour. Looks nice for you. Next 7 days looks good Friday as well. Temperatures in the mid-70s. Mid-80s. Check out that low, 52 degrees on Friday morning. Then Saturday, and especially going into early next week, we up those rain chances once again as another storm system heads over the area.